always feel better on days that I start early.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life.
This is my current go-to breakfast. It's sprouted toast with avocado, broccoli sprouts, and an egg on top. Yes, I put this much salt on everything. Anyway, it is my favorite. I highly recommend it.
I'm standing on the dizzying highs. You make everything so much better. Riding high on the river.
I have had so much success structuring my list this way and dividing all of my tasks into blocks. Of course, for the sake of this video, we are just tackling this list here.
There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling.
Alright guys, now I'm going to tackle this list with my least favorite task, cleaning and inventorying the fridge. I highly recommend going through your fridge before you go grocery shopping. You don't waste as much, you save money at the store, and then you have a clean fridge to come home and put your groceries in, which feels so good. So I got my fridge cleaned out and my ingredients inventoried and a meal plan made for the week. So I'm gonna go to Whole Foods because there's a couple of things I can only get there, and then I'm gonna go to Aldi and I'm going to take you with me. So it was a little difficult to film inside Whole Foods, but these are all the things I got there. Now let's start at Aldi. I was kind of impressed at the amount of alternative pastas they had at Aldi.
let's get this all put away.
I always like to freeze some bananas because there are just so many great uses for a frozen banana, guys. Now it's actually late enough in the day that I need to go ahead and start making dinner, so cue a 30-second cooking segment. You guys, this meal turned out so good, and this is the brown quinoa pasta that I got from Whole Foods today, and the kids didn't even notice it was different than regular pasta. They all ate it really well, which is a total win when all the kids eat the food, right? Especially my infant. I'm trying to feed him a heavier dinner to coax him to sleep better through the night, so I'm crossing my fingers that that works out. Anyway, now all the kids are in bed and I'm just finishing up a few things in the kitchen. And then I'm going to steam mop. Oh, I have wanted to steam mop for well over 2 weeks, and I haven't steam mopped in a month. But at the end of the day, I'm so tired that I tend to just crash. But not tonight. Tonight I'm going to push through and get these floors done. And I'm so glad I did because my house feels so much better with clean floors. Room mopping is the one cleaning task that just makes me feel like my life isn't falling apart. Let me know in the comments below, what's that one thing that makes you feel like if you could just get that done, everything would be okay? Is it a clean fridge, or a clean sink, or the bathroom's done, or the laundry all folded? What is that one thing for you that makes it all better? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, subscribe, like, leave a comment, all that good stuff, and I will catch you next time. Bye!